The caution is out here at Daytona. An accident on the back straightaway multi-car involving Spencer, Kenny Irwin, John Andretti, that man Steve Park, Jerry Nadeau, Ricky Rudd, among others. Irwin's car right there taking the worst of the lick. He was already talking to his crew on the radio. We were eavesdropping. Far from pleased, as you can expect. He had a super run going.
So disappointing to put your heart and soul into what you're doing and then have a problem.
That's Steve Park through the silhouette look. There's Spencer. You see the roof flap having deployed there.
Also, the right front corner has damage on it.
John Andretti got a piece of it.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Like John may have been hit from behind because the left rear quarter panel's been out just a little bit.
I told you Ricky Rudd was involved.
Stop in the box, buddy. You want that windshield tore off there? Got that for.
There's Ricky with the damaged nose of the Taurus. There's Jerry Nadeau. We mentioned he was involved.
A lot of damage to Nadeau's car.
Ricky Craven is also pitted for 4 tires. Oh, boy, look at that.
Wow.
And Scooby-Doo has seen better days.
The aerodynamics of that car could be improved severely.
Let's take a look at what happened to bring out this 5th caution. Irwin and Little.
Chad Little in the 97 got into the back there of the 28 just barely.
Looked like the 28 was trying to get by him. They were side by side when that all started, and it looked like 2 guys trying for the same spot.
Of course, remember, Steve Park has an onboard camera. Let's see what we can see here. He had nowhere to go, and he just took a shot.
Again.
Yeah.
And again. And again. And again.
Oh, man.
Steve Burns, Ron Yates, and those guys have to be